Hey guys, in this video, I'm going to show you how to add home address in Google Maps. I'll show you how to do this on mobile, then I'll show you how to do this on PC. On your mobile, go ahead and open Google Maps, and once the Google Maps is opened, you want to come to the bottom and tap on You. Under You, you will find Home and Work at the top of your screen. You can also access them under Label when you tap on Label. To add your home address in Google Maps, tap on Home, and you have three options you can use to add your home address. So if you already know your home address, you can go in the search section and start typing. When you choose to use your current location, you need to have your location service enabled. This will help you find your precise location address. You can go ahead and copy your address or tap on Save to save the address as your home address. And lastly, you can choose on Maps. When you choose this option, you can move the location pin for your home anywhere you want on your map. Once in the location, simply tap on Save and your home address will be updated. Now you can always come back to Label and tap on the three dots beside Label, be able to share, copy address, edit home, change icon, and remove the home address. On PC, click on Save and click on Label. Here you will see Home. Click on Home to set up your home address, and the only available option here is to enter your home address. Now if you do not know your home address, you can simply search for that area and then find your house. Click on the location, and the location pin will be dropped there. Here you'll be able to copy the home address. Click here to copy to your clipboard, and in the address section, you want to paste the copied address. Now you'll be able to select your address. Click on your address and then click on Save, and your home address will be updated. Now anytime you click on Home, this will take you to that particular location. So thank you for watching this video on how to add home address in Google Maps, and I hope you found this video helpful. If you do find this video helpful, do make sure to like, subscribe, and have the post notification turned on.